Ever feel like your crypto assets are trapped on different blockchains? Like you have this amazing Bitcoin, but you want to participate in a cool new DeFi protocol on Ethereum, or maybe explore the fast transactions of Solana. It's frustrating, right? This feeling of isolation, of your digital wealth being stuck in separate silos, is a common one in the world of decentralized finance. But what if there was a way to seamlessly bridge these divides? What if you could move your assets freely between different blockchains without the hassle of complex exchanges or wrapped tokens? Well, that's where Bifrost comes in. Bifrost is a multi-chain middleware platform that aims to unlock the potential of cross-chain communication. Think of it as a universal translator and highway system for the blockchain world. Instead of having isolated networks speaking different languages and having no direct routes between them, Bifrost creates a unified environment where assets and data can flow freely and securely. So, how exactly does this magic happen? At its core, Bifrost utilizes a network of validators and a unique technology called the Bifrost Extension Language, or BEL. Imagine each blockchain as a distinct country with its own set of rules and currency. To travel between these countries traditionally, you'd need to go through customs, exchange your currency, and potentially deal with lengthy processing times. Bifrost streamlines this entire process. When you want to move an asset from one chain to another using Bifrost, you essentially initiate a request. This request is then relayed to the Bifrost network. The validators on the Bifrost network, who are incentivized to act honestly, reach a consensus on the validity of your request. This involves verifying that the asset you want to move actually exists on the source chain and is locked or set aside. Once the validators reach agreement, a corresponding representation of your asset, let's call it a Bifrost asset, is minted on the destination chain. This Bifrost asset is pegged to the value of your original asset on the source chain. So, if you move one Bitcoin using Bifrost, you'll receive one equivalent Bifrost Bitcoin, often represented with a specific ticker like VBTC, on the target blockchain. The crucial element here is BEL. This is the programming language that allows Bifrost to interact with different blockchain protocols. Because each blockchain has its own unique structure and rules for how transactions are processed, a standardized way to communicate with them is essential. BEL acts as this universal adapter, enabling Bifrost to understand and execute transactions across a wide range of networks. Furthermore, Bifrost isn't just about moving assets. Its architecture is designed to facilitate more complex cross-chain interactions. Imagine decentralized applications, dApps, that can seamlessly access data and functionality from multiple blockchains. For example, a lending protocol on one chain could use Bifrost to verify collateral held on another chain, or a decentralized exchange, DEX, could aggregate liquidity from various networks into a single trading interface. This interoperability opens up a world of possibilities for developers and users alike. It breaks down the barriers between different blockchain ecosystems, fostering greater collaboration and innovation within the Web3 space. By making it easier to move assets and information, Bifrost aims to create a more fluid, efficient, and interconnected blockchain landscape. It's about unlocking the true potential of a multi-chain future, where users aren't confined to a single ecosystem but can freely explore and utilize the best features of various networks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.